Hi everyone, we're here in the sunny Golden, Colorado at the Colorado School of Mines to kick off the Mining Water Tech Pilot Pathway Program.
What does sustainability mean to mining? And how can mining as an industry become sustainable? I think most people think that's oxymoronic. It's inherently a consuming industry. It excavates, it extracts, it makes messes. How can you consider anything like that to be sustainable? We want everyone to have access to the metals, to the technology, to the communications capability, to the ability to vote, fundamental human rights. And that we have to do it in a way that's going to be acceptable. And that's not what we're doing now. So what would be acceptable? It would be something that's not done in isolation, but it's in the context of maximizing recycling. So we need to minimize the new metals that are coming in. We're being responsible about metals management, responsible about water management, both of which are limited resources, defined resources in the world. All of this has to be considered. We're not doing that yet. And in fact, if mining changes the way it's going to be done, I think, so that mining becomes the steward of the Earth's resources. And that's what it's doing. We're going to get to the point where mining can demonstrate for the world what the world needs to be like in the future. So my hope is that mining will not be a follower, but will be a leader in the future.
Hi, I'm Elena Harkness. I'm CEO of Current. We're a nonprofit water innovation hub headquartered in the Great Lakes. We're so excited about the launch of the Mining Water Tech Pathway Program because it gives an opportunity for companies that really have an interest in helping to recover valuable resources from the water and wastewater that can be lost in mining operations and put those into productive use, whether to power the clean energy transition or to help solve our shortage of critical minerals and materials.
I'm Christian Guerrero. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Tikal Industries, and we valorize waste wherever possible. Right now for mining, that looks like taking local waste streams like mine tailings, acid mine drainage, and water treatment sludge, processing them to produce low carbon cement that can be used from everything from construction to backfilling, or extracting critical minerals and rare earth elements through our electrochemical technology, providing that much more revenue from your waste streams.
The Water Tech Mining Pathway Program is unique because it's engaging deep industry experts who have been living the work of mining in this country and around the world. And it's really important to hear their perspectives because the technologies and the startups and founders that are trying to solve their challenges need to understand what those challenges actually are. And so I loved getting to hear from so many experts that are deep in this space, talk about what the common barriers are and help our founders figure out how they can leapfrog that and get to market with their solutions faster.
With this program, we're looking towards developing a really comprehensive pilot program that creates just as much value for our mining partners as it does for us, and hopefully creates value on both ends from the water treatment as well as the products that we produce.
My name is Jonathan Goodell. I'm the Partnerships and Commercialization Manager at Current. And this program is very special because it's quality over quantity. And that's what I really like about this program, is making sure that these founders get the connections, the resources, and the know-how to really make a difference, both at a financial level as well as an environmental impact level as well. I would say the benefits that you get is very hands-on, tailored support and resources and connections to help your startup get to where you need to go. It's not going to be the magic bullet to help solve everything, but it's going to help you get there a lot quicker and also you're going to have a network of people that are actually care about your product and not just as you would say a number getting you through an accelerator, but actually saying we want you to have a pilot and how are we going to get you there? Who do we need to put you in contact with to make that happen? That is what you will get out of this program.
With this program, Current's grateful to have the support of the U.S. Department of Commerce, EDA. The Build to Scale program provided us the early launch support to bring this program to life. And again, it is also a part of our National Science Foundation-backed regional innovation engine called Great Lakes Renew. And then a call to action for industry. If you represent a mining company, we'd love to have you in the mix and at the table. We'd love to understand what some of your design challenges are, and we'd love you to become a trusted partner as we're starting starting to build out, so hopefully a very powerful regional innovation that can create waste to wealth solutions that are going to be essential for the domestic security of our country, but also for a more sustainable mining industry globally.